Hello, everyone, and welcome to StartSpeak English, the podcast that helps you speak real English for real life. I'm Mike.
And I'm Anna. We're so happy you're here with us today. Whether you're listening on your way to work, during lunch, or before bed, you're in the right place. This podcast is for English learners at the A2 to B1 level. That means if you know a little English but want to feel more confident, this is for you. Today's episode is really fun. We're going to talk about something we all do every day. Going to a cafe or restaurant and ordering food. And not just that, we'll also look at how to make friendly small talk with the people around you. Small talk. That's when you have a short, friendly conversation with someone you don't know very well. Like talking about the weather or saying something nice to a stranger. Very useful. So, grab a coffee, sit back, and let's start speaking.
Main conversation at the cafe. Okay, Mike, let's imagine we just walked into a cafe. It's a Saturday morning, it's a little busy, and we're looking for a table.
Perfect. I love Saturdays. Okay, so I see a table near the window. Should we sit there?
Oh, yes, that looks nice. Okay, great. So the waiter is coming over. You order first.
All right. Good morning. Welcome. Are you ready to order, or do you need a few more minutes?
Hi, good morning. I think I need just one more minute, please. Can I see the menu?
Of course. Here you go.
Okay. Pause. Did you notice what Mike said? Can I see the menu? That's a very polite and simple way to ask for the menu. You can also say, "Could I have the menu, please?" Both are totally fine.
Right. And notice I also said just one more minute. This is a very natural phrase. It's polite. It tells the waiter, I'm not ready, but I will be soon. Don't go away.
Exactly. Yes, that's right. Don't disappear, waiter. Okay, let's continue.
Okay. I've decided I want a cappuccino and, a croissant.
Sure. And for you? I'd like a green tea, please. And can I ask, is the avocado toast good here? Yes, it's very popular. Many people order it. Great. I'll have that then. Thank you.
Nice. I love how you said, I'd like. That's a very useful phrase. It means the same as I want, but it sounds more polite and natural in a cafe or restaurant.
Yes, I want a coffee is okay, but I'd like a coffee. Sounds a little softer and more friendly. In English, small changes like this make a big difference. Also, did you hear Anna ask, can I ask, is the avocado toast good here? That little phrase, can I ask, is a great way to start a question politely. You can use it anywhere. Like, can I ask where the bathroom is? Or, can I ask how much? Okay, let's do a quick review. Here are 6 phrases from today's episode. Listen, repeat, and remember them.
Number 1, can I see the menu, please? Use this when you sit down at a restaurant or cafe.
Number 2, I'd like a coffee, please. Polite way to order. Better than just saying, I want. Number 3, can I ask? A gentle way to start any question. Can I ask where the bathroom is? Number 4, sorry to bother you. Use this when you talk to a stranger or interrupt someone.
Number 5,
I think there might be a small mistake. Polite way to point out a problem without sounding rude.
And number 6, I appreciate it. A warm way to say thank you. More personal than just thanks. 6 phrases. Real situations, easy to use. Practice them this week. And that's a wrap for today's episode of StartSpeak English.
We hope you enjoyed your virtual cafe visit with us today. And more importantly, We hope you feel ready to walk into a real cafe and order with confidence.
Remember, every English learner starts somewhere. The most important thing is to try, make mistakes, laugh a little, keep going.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to StartSpeak English on whatever platform you're listening on. It really helps us grow and reach more learners just like you.
And leave us a comment or a message. We'd love to hear from you. What topics do you want us to cover next? Directions, shopping, job interviews? Let us know.
Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking.
See you in the next episode of Start Speak English.